Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to select accessibility features and tap on one-handed mode. Then tap on the switcher to activate it and follow those instructions. I have triggers navigation, so I have to follow those ones. Slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. If you wish to use your hand with your right hand, you need to swipe to the right. If you wish to use it with your left, click on the blank area and swipe it to the left. You can go back the same way. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!